comfort zone is actually the killing factor. That comfort zone is going to be stagnant in your mind. Not in your, maybe not in your life. You'll probably get a good husband. You'll probably get a good wife. Because of the money that you have, because of the car that you bought, because of the house that you bought, right? Because of the flashy suits that you wear, right? All of this you can achieve, but what about satisfaction? What about, feeling satisfaction? Something I heard, success is defined by others. Success is defined by others. Satisfaction is defined by yourself. Right? So, whether to become successful in life or whether to feel satisfied in life, choice is yours. Okay? Now let me tell you one thing. In last 15 years, when I worked for so many companies and all that, traveling across the globe, across India, giving training 15,000 hours and plus all that blah blah blah. After doing all this, when I started my business, I felt the easiest thing that I have done is to work for large corporates. The easiest thing ever in my life that I did after my engineering from NIH Gorakhpur in 2002. The easiest thing that I did is to work for others, is to work for big corporates. Everything is set for you. Like in Trident, right? They train you, they give you probably like canteen food is available, AC is available, light, fan, mobile phones, probably your parents are giving to you, right? All the comfort zone, everything is given to you. You don't take decisions. It's very hard to take decisions in corporates. At least up till, unless and until you're like, 15, 20 years into the organization, very hard to take decisions. Now think about this. How about taking control of your life? How about taking decisions right now? Because if you can take decisions right now about your life, I'm telling you, it will be visible in your persona. And you will become the persona grata. Right? And that is my ambition. That is the reason why I left my comfort zone. I belong to Bhanjanagar. Have any of you heard of the city, of the town? Bhanjanagar? Alright, brother, where are you from? Bhanjanagar. Who do Bhanjanagar? Okay. So, I came from Bhanjanagar. I'm from Korea Medium School. How many of you guessed that? I'm from CHSC, HSC board, right? But I can speak, I can talk, I can utilize the space. That's one of the techniques, by the way. Whenever you read the speech, utilize the space. Because everybody feels boring if you stand in one place, right? That's one of the tricks for you, right? So I got inspired because I thought that if I came from a very small village, and I could achieve this much, I'm not saying I've achieved everything, but I've achieved something. Then why not others? Why not my other friends? I don't like to call brothers and sisters. I believe in friendship. So why not other friends, right? So all of us, all of the people from Odia medium, English medium, all these people who lack confidence, I need to empower them with confidence. More than English. Again, more than English, what you need is confidence, right? You need to be confident, right? More than English, you need confidence. More than your dress, you need the smile. That's the best thing you can wear in your life, right? So there are many other techniques. Now let's talk. So what do we need? When you start a business, what is the most important thing that you need? Obviously funds. Don't tell me that. The fund is my headache. What else? Ideas. Okay, I already have the idea. Right? By the way, I got rejected by MSME. You know what is MSME? Micro and Small Medium Corporation for Funding. You know what? They said it's not innovative. I agree. I'm not innovative. but I'm very good in training. Right? So I'm going to give good training, so I'm not innovative. But apart from funds and idea, what else you need? Marketing skills. Absolutely correct. You need marketing, right? You need branding. You need to market yourself, right? Apart from all this, I'm going to end my speech by saying, apart from all this, even if you are unable to crack any deal, even if I didn't get anything, I'm looking for 2 marketing persons actually multitasking. You may be good in English, you may not be good in English, that's fine, but I need confident, smiling people, good at heart, right? I need that. And then, even if you're not able to crack any deal for me, what you're going to learn is the pressure. That's number 1. Now remember, once again, coal becomes diamond because of pressure. Every diamond was a coal, but it became a diamond because it took pressure. Right? It was able to take pressure, and that's how one diamond is formed. Right? So you will learn how to take pressure, and number 2, definitely learn how to speak confidently. Whether it's a matter of 200, 2000, or 2 lakhs. You should be able to stand and speak. That's what I'm going to teach you. And of course, enjoy it. Thank you so much.